vakomana ve-Legitimate Opposition Citizen Coalition for Change vana Amos Baya naOster Losiziva toona kuti yesterday pavaioffer a bid a final farewell kuna Joyce Ndlovu anozikanwa kuti she was a Ward 2 councillor kuBulawayo. Panapa she passed on. Toona vakomana vanouya vanogada nema-citizens kwako kwazariwa. Toona kuti vana Oster Losiziva nana Amos Baya vanouya vachiisa a no to 2030 ne-term extension ne-constitutional amendment. Sana vana mashoko anonge atogwa panapa ndipo subscribe like on the bell icon. Vakomana vamuchinjira don't post this picture rakanzi Amos Baya at Chibaya TCC says no to 2030. Tipinda pahendo ya Oster Losiziva vamudanyara cheti today we gathered in Bulawayo to bid a final farewell to the remarkable Joyce Ndlovu, former Ward 2 councillor who sadly passed away last week after a brave battle with illness. Joyce was a true servant of the people, dedicated her life to the betterment of our community and city. Her tireless efforts and unwavering commitment to the welfare of Bulawayo's residents have left an indelible mark on our city. As a councillor, Joyce was a vocal advocate for the rights and interests of the constituents, always putting their needs above her own. We salute every citizen and a democratic activist who has come together to give Joyce a fitting send-off. This is who we are. We stand together, shoulder until victory. Rest in power, CC Joyce. Ndomashukana yatoka panapa la Oster Losiziva. Vakomana zvavaiuya vachioffer a final farewell kwavari. Panapa toona kuti vanouya vachirangarira ma-citizens vachiti aiwa, yes we are offering a farewell. Tinoona basa rakanaka raiitiwa naNdlovu Joyce panapa, but isusu tiri kudinaya. We are saying no to 2030 agenda. We are saying no to unconstitutional amendment. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section menu dzimafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, set on the bell icon.